abandoned, discarded, and broken, leaning against a trash can in the alley, the post hole digging tool just waited to be picked up by the weekly rounds of the trash collector. Then, one day, an ambitious salvager stumbled upon the forsaken tool. Curiosity sparked within him as he recognized the potential hidden beneath the layers of dirt and rust. Despite its broken handle, the builder sensed a glimmer of greatness buried within the tool's worn-out form. Its once shining surface marred by the passage of time, forgotten and overlooked. It longed for the days when it was held with purpose and put to work, serving a meaningful role in the hands of a skilled craftsman, construction worker, or dutiful homeowner. Determined to restore the post hole digging tool to its former useful glory, the builder carefully carried it to his workshop. He examined every inch, noting the areas that required repair and rejuvenation. He began by removing the tight, rusty bolts from the cracked-off handle. Searching through his salvage pile, the builder took another discarded item from someone's project that had received a similar fate and location as the post hole digger. This was a cutoff from someone's railing in their home. The piece was unneeded and unwanted, but once again, the builder saved it for the day that he knew it would be useful once again. He shaped it into a form that resembled the original handle. This tool started to gleam with renewed life. It was not as shiny and factory fresh as it once was, but the restorer knew that the purpose of this tool was to work, to have meaning in life, to be cared for, not just by him, but for the next person to grasp the dissimilar wooden handles. It didn't need to be fancy, shiny, or clean. Immediately after the loving rejuvenation, the post hole digging tool was brought to a church. Appropriate and symbolic of something or someone useful being broken and now restored. As the metal clamshell sank into the warm dirt, squeezed together, familiar dirt was removed and a new hole began. This process was repeated over and over until the hole was deep enough to make the craftsman smile. Into the new hole was dropped a tube, a piece of lumber, and some cement. A hook was screwed into the post and the entire plan had now come together. But this redemption story went beyond mere physical restoration. The builder understood that to truly revive the tool's purpose, it needed to regain its former function and to be an efficient companion. With the anticipation of every dug hole and every structure erected, the tool regained a sense of purpose and pride. It realized that redemption was not just about physical restoration, but about reclaiming its role as an essential tool in the hands of a skilled craftsman. The once abandoned tool now stood tall, its blade cutting through the soil with precision, its handle firmly grasped by the capable hands of a skilled craftsman. It was not just a skilled craftsman, but someone who cared enough and understood that no matter how forgotten or overlooked we may feel, there is always a chance for redemption and a path to reclaim our purpose.